is yung tinatawag na osteoarthritis of the hip po. And if you don't know what osteoarthritis is, again, I want to be clear kasi pag sinasabi kasing osteo, if naimuingon sa ako na ako'y osteo doc, there are two osteo na sinasabi po. There are two osteo. One is osteoarthritis, which is the wear and tear of the joint. Dahan-dahan nasisira yung joint. And then meron din yung osteoporosis. Yung osteoporosis is yung brittle bone. So this is actually a bone here. This is the thigh femur bone. And it's just showing us na inside that bone is meron po tayong medyo malaki yung yung density, yung parang on this side is yung osteoporotic bone.